Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Bali Museum. How are you for this morning? Good? Okay. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Sahiki Dewi. Most of the people call me Dewi. And you can call me Dewi. Right? Okay. I'm as your tour guide for today and I hope you will enjoy for this tour. Right? Okay. So I'm going to tell you about Bali Museum. The Bali Museum is a museum that stores various relics of the human past and ethnography. The location of this museum is in the center of Denpasar city. To the south of the museum, there is a Jagannatha temple, while the Puputan Badu field and Chaturmukha statue are in front of the Bali Museum. To get to get this museum, it takes about 45 minutes from Ngurah Rai Airport with a distance of less than 13 kilometers. The entrance ticket to the Bali Museum for domestic guests is 50,000 rupiah per person. For local guests, 25,000 rupiah per person, and for student only 2,000 rupiah per person. Okay, next, this museum has a collection such as 4 buildings in the inner courtyard called the Tabanan Building, Karangasem Building, Blaleng Building, and East Building. First, the East Building contains a collection of the Panchayatnya ceremony, a characteristic of Balinese immersion, and there are also agriculture tools. And for Blaleng Building has a collection in the form of uang kepeng or money, which previously used a barter system. Next, for Karangasem Building has a collection mentioned Tili as a symbol of fertility, which believed to be very influential in Bali and is used in religious ritual to building art. And the last is Tabanan Building has a collection of heirlooms of the development of the Christ, which is used a Balinese life in religious ceremony and as a means of a self-protection. Next, as for the rules, when visiting the Balinese Museum, this Balinese Museum, first, prohibited to bring food and drink from outside. Number two, don't use flash when taking picture. Number three, don't touch the museum collection. And the last, prohibited to bring large item. Okay, and for a schedule of visiting the Bali Museum on Sunday until Thursday, it is open at 8 o'clock p.m. until 3 o'clock p.m. While on Friday, it is open at 8 o'clock p.m. until 12:30 p.m. And for Saturday and public holidays, the museum is closed. Okay, that's all about Bali Museum. Any question?
Hello, Miss Dewi. I have a question.
Yes.
In Karangasem Building, there is a collection of chili. Can you explain me what is chili?
Okay, thank you for your question, Ayu. Karangasem Building has a collection of chili. Chili is a symbol of goddess of fertility, Dewi Sri, in the form of a woman with a sharp face, a slightly widened headdress, ear wearing large earring or subang, and a slim waist. This building also explained the relationship between Balinese people and natural fertility. Okay, any question?
Hello, Miss
Yes, Cahaya?
I have a question.
Yes.
When was this Bali Museum legalized?
Okay, thank you for your question, Cahaya. When was this museum legalized? The Bali Museum was legalized on December 8, 1932 under the name Bali Museum Association, but after the independence of Indonesia in 1966, the name was changed to Bali Museum. Any question?
Miss Dewi, I have one more question.
Yes.
The architecture of the museum is very thick with the Balinese architecture. Is it often used for pre-wedding here? And what is the budget?
Okay. Thank you for your question, Ayu. Yes, of course. This museum is often used for pre-wedding because it has Balinese architecture and is close to a temple. For pre-wedding rate, here for foreign tourists are just 1 million rupiah and for local people just only 500,000 rupiah. Any question?
No, I think it's enough for me.
Okay, because there's no question, I think that's all. Okay, thank you for this tour. I hope you feel happy. And thank you for trusting me on your tour. Okay, thank you. See you.
Thank you, Miss Dewi.
Thank you, Miss Dewi.